Bringing medical products to the market is incredibly complex and time-consuming, and the research and development, that's just the beginning. It's important to realize that you can have the best ideas and the sound science to back it up, but that is not enough to get the product to the patients. Oftentimes, drug development is referred to as a marathon. I tend to think of it as a marathon that's being run through a very challenging obstacle course. Throughout this multi-year process, you will experience hurdles and obstacles.
We're a small company, small staff, and really what we need is help navigating the evolving regulatory framework that drive the way we need to develop our first-in-class drug candidates.
On average, it takes 10 years to develop a medicine and bring it to market. And actually 6 to 7 of those years are usually spent in the clinic. So speed matters. The regulations are ever evolving. So the guidances on day 1 may not be the same guidances on day 2000. So it goes beyond navigating through the regulations and just checking all of the right boxes. It's about doing it quickly enough so it'll be an effective product that the market actually needs.
In order to transform these discoveries into products that benefit patients, it's important to have a team with the expertise that extends beyond the science. Having the deep knowledge of and hands-on experience with the regulatory process, that's critical. You also want to work with a team that anticipates the obstacles ahead and has a proven track record of market approval. At the end of the day, it's about having the right expertise and experience to get the product to market faster.
Being as small as we are, we really need dedicated attention from our partners. We're looking for a team with state-of-the-art regulatory understanding and knowledge so that they can help us navigating through the development process for our drug candidates.
Once you bring a product through the development and regulatory approval phases, the journey's not over. There are critical steps required to ensure that the patients can gain access to the product. For example, conducting studies using real-world evidence to demonstrate how cost-effective the product is. Then, demonstrating the value of the product is necessary to ensure that the providers will prescribe the product and that the payers will cover the cost. Additionally, manufacturers and market authorization holders need to proactively plan on how to address product access and potential obstacles before the product becomes available on the market.
We all share a responsibility to keep compliance and patient safety at the forefront of everything that we do. And while we are behind the scenes and you will never see the name PharmaLex on a product label, we make a difference in patients' lives every day.
PharmaLex is a leading provider of regulatory solutions for the pharmaceutical, biotech, and medical device industries. With over 1,300 associates globally, PharmaLex goes beyond compliance to support better business decisions throughout the product development process.
We leverage our scientific expertise and our more than 25 years of experiences to help companies successfully bring products from early phase development through the final stages of market adoption by taking a collaborative ownership of the program. Our experts effectively and efficiently leverage each market approval to achieve the next market authorization. We partner with researchers and industry professionals throughout their development journey to accelerate their programs by providing market intelligence, guidance on the regulatory requirements, regulatory maintenance, quality, and of course, pharmacovigilance and safety.
Working with PharmaLex allows us to completely eliminate the operational burden of the regulatory work that we are doing. An example would be we've recently decided to expand our clinical activities in Canada. PharmaLex was able to take our IND dossier and convert it into a Canadian CTA for Health Canadian submission.
PharmaLex is using technology-enabled services to accelerate decision-making and drive efficiency gains.
Delivering technology-enabled services such as automation, machine learning, and artificial intelligence is critical for helping life sciences companies as they face increased research and development costs and inefficiencies associated with their traditional manual processes. By combining the deep understanding of the product life cycle with technology and innovation, success can be achieved through smart, cloud-based solutions that help to accelerate the time to market in a more cost-effective manner.
PharmaLex. Confidence beyond compliance. Find out more at pharmalex.com.